This is how to dip seal Clay Imports Pool Waterline Tiles. When working with chemicals, always wear appropriate gear such as gloves, a mask, and safety glasses, and make sure that you're working in a well-ventilated area. Sealing pool waterline tiles should be considered a necessary step in the installation process. Sealing them can provide additional protection against moisture absorption and reduce long-term maintenance. Clay Imports tiles have crazing on the surface, tiny fractures present on the glaze. Dip sealing tiles can fill these tiny fractures with water-resistant solvent. In addition to increasing the integrity of the surface, dip sealing also protects the body, reducing the possibility of moisture absorption into the tile from behind. Dip sealing is very easy and usually only takes a few minutes to seal an entire batch of tile. Firstly, for dip sealing, we always recommend Clay Imports' penetrating sealant. This is a heavy-duty impregnating sealant, and it will not change the appearance of your tile. Simply pour 1 gallon of sealer into a bucket that's large enough to fit an entire tile. Then, one at a time, dip your tiles into the bucket and leave them submerged for about 1 or 2 seconds, no longer. Allowing too much sealer to soak into the tile can affect its ability to properly adhere to the wall. Lay the tiles out in a well-ventilated area and allow about 2 hours to dry. The surface that you lay your tiles on should be protected. Keep in mind that sealer from the wet tiles can damage some surfaces such as paint, sealed concrete, and wood. Here are the 4 recently sealed tiles. They are now dry. And here are 2 unsealed tiles. And there's no color or sheen difference at all from the sealed to the unsealed pieces. That's it. That's how you dip seal Clay Imports' pool waterline tiles. Pretty easy.